Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of SimplBooks connector for OpenCart. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. The first step is to enable the module. Now, add any batch number between 5 to 50. This value will be used to fetch number of records from database in one query. Now click user icon to log in with SimplBooks. Log in with your SimplBooks account. Now go to settings. Then click user. Click view API token in user. Copy the token from here and paste in module setting. Copy the company ID from URL and paste in module setting. Next field is start date to sync orders. This field will set the date from which OpenCart orders will sync to SimplBooks. One last field is order statuses. Select the order statuses of OpenCart orders that will be synced to SimplBooks. Leave it if you want to sync all orders. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete. Now we will show you the syncing of customers, products, and orders. Click the SimplBooks menu and you will see the sync menus. In case these menus are not present, then check the permission from user groups. Now click the sync customers. Click the export button to sync the customers from OpenCart to SimplBooks. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have already synced the customers. You can see the synced customer list is present. Let's see them in SimplBooks also. See, customers are present in SimplBooks. You need to repeat same process for products and orders also. We have already synced them. Let's see the products and orders in SimplBooks. We have tried to cover all points, mainly the setup process. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.